Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I am Ashley Marie. I specialize in vintage hair, makeup, and fashion with a little bit of a modern twist. I just want to say that I have missed you all so much. It is finally spooky season, so of course I had to wear my cute little spooky sweater, which you're absolutely going to love. Today I have a fashion haul for you. I recently went to New York a few weeks ago, and I got the cutest outfits because first I went to Vegas for Viva Las Vegas Rockabilly weekend, and then I cut that trip short, and then I had the opportunity to go to New York. So of course I wasn't going to say no to New York. I haven't been there before, and I thought I'd share these looks with all of you. It was nice dressing up and being fancy. Speaking of fancy, I want to get into today's sponsor, Time Princess. Time Princess is a hyper-realistic 3D dress-up game that I feel like you all would love because, hello, we all love to dress up, love putting outfits together, and I love games where you could just create characters, dress them up, and create your own little fantasy world. It's rated E for everyone, so great for young and old, and just for you to open that creative mind and start DIYing, creating your own little fantasy world. It has so many storybooks, fascinating clothing, myths, celebrity anecdotes, and more to enrich your content. It incorporates history as well, so you can learn some things. And every decision you make in the story will affect the outcome. And I love those because then you can go back, start all over, and start picking different things and see what that other outcome is as well. The outfits in this game are both from East and West, dating from historical to modern. There's a DIY system, so you can create your own cartoon and you can DIY your own outfit, and you can also create a society with your best friends. For friends, you can increase daily interaction among friends in-game, borrow and lend clothing, and share game progress. It's available on iOS and Android. Download Time Princess using the link or use the QR code and get the new player set as well as an exclusive gift pack worth $200 with some beautiful presents to kickstart your game. Thank you so much, Time Princess, for sponsoring this video. Alright dolls, so now it's our time to play dress up. Let's get into these outfits. Okay dolls, so the first outfit is probably one of my favorites for now. The top I actually got on ThredUp, and ThredUp's just like a website where you can buy vintage clothes or people resell clothes. And then the pants I purchased at Rockin' Betty LV. The brand is Hell Bunny. And the heels are from Azos, and the purse I purchased from Unique Vintage. I also have these earrings, which you can't really see right now, and I bought them at Viva Las Vegas Rockabilly weekend. I don't remember the brand, but if I happen to remember what it is, I will link it in the description box below. But here's a close-up of these heels, and I got them about 6 years ago. This next outfit is from Vintage Vandalism, and you can find all her stuff online. It's just an amazing two-piece that I love. It's so comfortable. The fabric is thick and really high quality. I paired them with these black heels that I purchased at DSW a long time ago, paired with a pillbox hat. And then that black purse was a purse that my grandmother gave me that she used to have back in the 50s. And here is a close-up of the outfit. It is a tie front. And here's a close-up of the purse. I love it because it expands at the top, and then you just put your stuff inside, and then you close it. This next dress is a vintage Lily Diamond dress that I found at a vintage store in Orange, California. And it is so stunning. Whenever I wear this dress, I get so many compliments on it. It's just one of my favorites. It hugs my curves beautifully, and it just fits perfect. I paired it with this vintage purse as well that I also got from Elsewhere Vintage. And here is a close-up of the purse. It's just so beautiful. I love it. And then this hair flower I got from Amber Joyce Vintage. I just love how dramatic it looks. These heels are reproduction, and the brand is Remix. This next outfit I got from Rockin' Betty LV. The pants I actually messed up the zipper because I was impatient and I just like pulled the zipper really hard and got something stuck in it. So that's why it looks kind of weird if you're facing me on the right side. But I love these pants. They're so, shorts. They're so comfortable paired with this collective clothing top. Very comfortable again, paired with my remix heels. This purse I got at a little fair in orange, and I love it. It just goes with the vintage vibe, and I also used that yellow hair flower. Here is a close-up of the pants, just shorts. Sorry, I don't know why I keep saying pants. Just very tropical. This next outfit is very different because you guys never really see me in tennis shoes and jeans, but I love these jeans. I am obsessed with them. This was actually my airport outfit. I paired it with this cute top. It's just, you know, spooky season. It has a cute little cat on it, and you'll see Anubis shortly. I paired it with these $5 shoes that I got from Five Below, and there's Anubis to go with my sweater. But it's just so cute. These pants are so comfy on the plane. The material is very soft. They're also stretchy, and they just give that vintage vibe. Va va voom. I am obsessed with this dress, and it's from Windsor. Guys, Windsor is like a hit or miss, but this was definitely a hit. The only thing is, I don't know why they didn't sort of set the glitter on the dress, because you see those empty spots, it's not shadowing or anything, it's all the glitter that has fallen down. I wore this to the event, and there was glitter everywhere. I swear people were probably finding glitter on their clothes for the next few days. So that's the only bummer about this dress. I can't wear it often because the glitter just falls off of it. I paired it with this silver purse that I purchased at a thrift store. And I paired it with these Kathy Jean heels. Do you guys remember Kathy Jean? Like an old school shoe store. This next outfit, the top is Boulevard Nights by Rockin' Betty LV. I swear you guys need to check out Rockin' Betty LV. That brand just has the cutest clothing. I paired it with these pinup girl trousers that I purchased years ago, and then some Steve Madden heels along with my yellow hair flower. Here is a close-up. I love the top. The top, again, thick material, very high quality. It makes my chest look good. It goes perfect with these pants. I love the color combo. And here are these shoes that I wore with it. So that is it for my video today. Let me know which was your favorite outfit. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to check out Time Princess by clicking the link in the description box below. I love you dolls, and I will see you soon. Bye, loves.